So I remember the Speedy P9 first on the runway in like June of 2023, and I saw it in a green color, and I have been lusting after it since. But I have been able to show some self-restraint and not actually even look at the bag in person or try to pre-order it or anything, because I knew it had a hefty price tag, and I knew the minute I tried it, I would want it. So for about 2 years, I avoided actually going into the store and touching a Speedy P9. Well, yesterday, I made a fatal mistake. So I put this on my story. Someone knocked some sense into me and tell me not to buy a P9 because I've now touched this luxurious leather. Please, someone knock some sense into me. No one did that. Actually, I received a lot of messages telling me, oh, it's so worth it. And one of my sales associates literally said, buy once, cry once, use for the rest of your life. And I'm like, that is a different level of enablement. Okay. Actually, I lied. One person told me not to get it. It was my dad. My dad said, don't get it. I laughed. I think I was literally on my way to Louis Vuitton to buy it when he sent me this. LOL. Sorry, Dad. Yeah, so I did buy it. Actually, it comes with a different box. That is kind of cool. You know, when you're paying this much money, you should get some special details. So let's talk about it. Actually, I love this dust bag. Now, is the dust bag worth the, extreme price of this? No, but it's nice little special touches. It has, you can now tell the color of the bag. Because every P9, the dust bag that it comes with has the stitching corresponding to the color. So I did get the natural like monogram brown one. I'll tell you why. Let me show you it first. I'm obsessed with the slouch. Like, this is stuffed with a pillow right now because it will like literally fall over. I'm obsessed with it. But my husband had said, we loved the green one. I love green. But he literally told me it would be a garage queen, which is what he refers to of like nice cars you don't drive, because as much as I loved the green, I wouldn't use it, and he is absolutely right about that. So let's talk about the details. Like, is this bag worth the price? No. We're just gonna not think about that for right now. I do love the little details it has though. Like, for example, comes with its own pillow. How cute is that? Come on. Like, it literally says Louis Vuitton made in France. Right? Yeah. Adorable. The other thing I really do love about this is that it comes with its own little pouch, which is a very nice detail. Like, for example, here, let me take it out. So again, it will match the bag, and I got a 25 size, so this is the smaller of the pouches. I think as you go up in size, the pouch changes sizes, but I love the details. Like, it has little LV, unlike the normal clay where you have to like pull it up, it's just like a normal prong. Has a longer chain. It's all leather. It matches the texture of the bag. It's great. Let me get a normal clay. I'll compare the size for you. So here's my Murakami clay. Here is the P9 clay. You can see P9 is much bigger. Honestly, this would fit inside of this, but I love it. I think it is a great addition. It definitely makes you feel a little bit better about spending so much money because you're getting extra things along with the Speedy. Don't come for me in the comments. I know it's expensive, okay? Okay, so here's the strap. I will likely wear it on the smallest size, but I love it. It adds to the versatility of the bag. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it on the crook of your arm, you can wear it handheld. The other thing I love about the P9 is that the leather comes pre-aged. I'm not entirely sure how it's treated. If anybody has additional detail on that, that'd be great. Because normally when I get a brand new Louis Vuitton bag that has like raw, untreated vachetta leather, I'll spray it with Apple Guard to try to prevent getting water stains. But this is pre-aged, so it's a little bit darker. It already has a honey color. I don't actually know how it will stand up to rain. If anyone has any insight on that, that would be great. And then it also comes with the luggage tag and the clochette, which if you open that, has the keys to the lock. And you know, normal Speedies have like a shiny bright gold hardware. This is, I wouldn't say, it definitely has more of an aged look to it. I typically am not like a huge fan of aged gold hardware, but I do really like it on this bag. I love the leather pull. I also love that it doesn't have the leather going down the side like a typical Speedy bandolier. Listen, I was able to avoid buying this for almost 2 years. I've succumbed to the peer pressure, okay? Just let it go. I almost forgot to show you. One other thing I'm obsessed with, obviously this is the Pharrell collaboration. I love Pharrell, and let's see if you can see it, the plaque in here that are exclusive to the P9s in collaboration with Pharrell literally says, "The sun is shining on us." How cute. Anyway, this is my new Speedy P9. I love her. She's buttery soft. I'm obsessed. And let me know what you think, unless it's mean, and then don't.